Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cool edit on CapCut using these features. So select your video, and if they change like around 6 times, like the video like transitions into another video 6 times, select it and select motion blur, adjust the blur, and also adjust the blend like so. You can have the direction forward, backward, or both. I'm just going to choose 6 times for mine because there's like 6 times the video sort of changes into like another one. Go back, and once you're done, you're going to go to effects, video effects. Then you are going to go to retro and find exposure, select checkmark, and have it throughout the whole video. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!